can see if I move my mouse, just go like that. It's super laggy. It's not even moving. There's nothing plugged into the laptop except the Targus docking station. Targus docking station has the HDMI in the back. On the left, the USB sound card from my Razer headphones, and then this is the Microsoft Wi-Fi dongle for the keyboard and mouse. You can see how it is still acting all funny. Shouldn't be jumping around like that. Now if I take that dongle, take it out of the docking station, plug it directly into the laptop. No problem.